What's up, y'all? It's the Collector here. So for today, I've got this recently unboxed Kang the Conqueror with his time chair, the deluxe set that Hasbro literally just released like a few days ago that is already in my mailbox today. And so, as we're looking at this thing, man, like, gotta say, number one, love the accessories. Number two, love the chair. Number three, definitely digging the Kang. So first off, for accessories, if you saw the fan stream recently, then you're aware of the faceplates, right? I've got the little, reptile alien faceplate in there right now, as you can see, right? But you've got these other two. Pretty good detail on all of these faces, man. Definitely like the teeth, right? The eyes in here. Very good on the face plates. Also, really like how you can just pop it right off. I'll demonstrate for you right here. So, boom, you just thumb under the chin, and that dude comes right out of there, and then, boop, just stick it right back in there. All right? And then we've got a couple of fists, right? We got our fists. And then we got these two kind of like open claw type of hands, right? Or like, kind of like R type hands. We've got one gun grip hand, which, almost never seems right to me to only have one, especially when you have two guns. You got this baby gun, and then you got big bad boy gun right up there. You also have this detachable barrel effect. However, it doesn't fit in this one. There's no hole in this barrel, so it's only for the big gun, which I guess, that makes a little bit of sense, right? But the chair comes apart basically in halves, right? This is one solid piece. There's a little cap piece down here on the bottom of this arm that has to be attached before you can attach this foot plate, right? And then the bottom of the seat and this little grated thing down here. Not sure exactly what to call that, but those two pieces basically fit in between there, as does the back of the chair. It's kind of keyed in to fit all together. And then you see the stand here. The detail on this chair is pretty awesome. I mean, I'm definitely digging this, dude. Not like the hugest Kang fan, but I do like, Fantastic Four stuff, and I do like, a good villain. Kang definitely seemed like he was going to be a good villain, at least in the MCU. I know he's a great villain in the comics. So yeah, again, if you're, into Kang at all, or, Fantastic Four, or anything like that with the multiverse, or just, action figures in general with really cool accessories, I would definitely recommend getting this guy. All right, so this is the Collector, and this was the deluxe Kang with the time chair unboxing video for you guys. Y'all stay nerdy out there. Bye-bye.